Welcome to the oral final for Spanish 2B. There are 4 prompts. Before we start, I wanted to make sure you understood that I do not want you to use Google Translate. The test measures your ability to apply the language that we have acquired during Spanish 2. You can use your notes, you can use the text, you can use the vocabulary on the Quizlets, or any information found in the modules. Use of Google Translate will result in a 0 and you will have to retake the entire final. The maximum score on a retake is a 35 out of 50. Prompts 2 and 3 are almost identical. 2 is talking about el dormitorio, the bedroom, and 3 is talking about la cocina, the kitchen. Each one asks you to do 3 things. Both of them want you to express an opinion about the room and use the vocabulary about cleanliness to describe the room. Ordenado, desordenado, limpio, and sucio are the words we learned to talk about the cleanliness. Both of the prompts ask you to talk about activities and chores. We have a vocabulary list inside of Quizlet, but I think it's easier to go into the Flipgrid for El Dormitorio, Flipgrid 4, go through the questions and pick 2 that talk about chores and 3 that talk about activities and answer those questions. And now you have a description of the activities and chores in your room. Do the exact same thing using Flipgrid 5 to find 2 chores to talk about the kitchen and 3 activities for the kitchen. The last part for both of them is to talk about the furniture or appliances in each room using prepositions. That we did in the Flipgrids as well, if you want a reminder of how to do that. I am going to give you a brief example of talking about the bedroom using all of the prompts, but I won't give an example for the kitchen because I want you to do some thinking on your own. Me gusta mi dormitorio, es muy grande. Mi dormitorio está limpio y ordenado. Tiendo la cama todos los días. Barro el piso del dormitorio los sábados. Leo, miro Netflix y descanso en mi dormitorio. La cama está a la derecha de la puerta. Tengo 6 almohadas. Las almohadas están encima de la cama. La mesita está a la izquierda de la cama. No tengo cómoda. Mi armario es muy pequeño. Prompt number 4 is self-explanatory. It's discussing the weather in Grants Pass. There's 4 sentences. You're going to be telling me what the weather is like in Grants Pass for summer and winter, and then what clothes you wear in the summer and what clothes you wear in the winter. That's it. If you need any help or suggestions on what you might need to say on prompt number 4, just check Flipgrid 3, and I think there's lots of ideas in there. The oral final looks harder than it really is. I'm looking for no more than 3 minutes of speaking. Write it out beforehand, read it to me, and I'll evaluate it. Use the Spanish that we've acquired during class, and you'll do fine. Thank you very much.